ICMA and INMA association. They are the president and vice president of ICMA and INMA president. May we request you to kindly start the proceeding with the.
And representing the paper mills in India. And so very happy to welcome you all in this 19th edition of Paper Tech, which is being held at HICC Hyderabad. And this is a regular feature, and it's a great show for paper industry. We participate in big numbers over here, and we exchange our ideas on various technologies being used in pulp and paper industry. So we are open to any questions from your side.
What is happening?
Papertech has a lot of exhibitors from paper industry and allied industries which are associated with paper industry like chemical industries, various machinery manufacturers and other related industries. And we have various sessions also where we exchange our ideas during the interaction. So it's a two day affair, and a lot of good articles are there. A lot of good representatives have come not only from within India but also from abroad to exchange their ideas on various technical topics. So it's a good exchange of ideas, and as I said, this is the 19th edition, so it has come a long way and really beneficial for the industry. Seen our tagline, we want Indian pulp and paper industry to be world class, and we are putting our brains together, minds together, and trying to discuss and deliberate how we can do this, how we can achieve this. There are a lot of challenges. Being world class is easier said than done, but we know what are the challenges, and we are trying to find our own way, India way of getting world class in pulp and paper industry. And we have identified a lot of challenges there, like in terms of our scales of operation, which is quite low as compared to many other developed countries. But within that limitation, how we can improve our operations, how we can optimize our production efficiencies, how we can make our products better in terms of quality. All these things we are deliberating. Then we are deficient in fiber. So how we can improve our plantation, and we are doing in a big way. Today, let me tell you, Indian paper industry is perhaps one of the very few industries on this planet which can boast of this kind of raw material which we have. All our raw material are sourced through sustainable sources. Whether it be wood, 100% of our wood is grown by farmers in their agricultural fields. And it's an agro produce. We don't cut trees, we harvest trees. And the cycle is 3.5 to 4.5 years. And look at the bamboo, which we procure from northeast part. And similarly, bagasse, wheat straw, waste paper, recycled fiber, all this is from sustainable sources and environmentally friendly. And similarly, the product which we are producing, it is biodegradable, biocompostable, and 7 to 12 times recyclable. So look at the sustainability and environmental friendliness aspect of pulp and paper industry. All our raw material is biodegradable, biocompostable, 100% recyclable, and similarly are our products. So today, that's why we are considered to be the perhaps only viable alternative, environmentally friendly alternative to single-use plastic. And we are seeing a lot of potential there. A lot of our mills are producing paper and board to replace plastic in India today. All those disposable cutlery, disposable tableware, which was in plastic earlier, that has been banned by the government. And today, pulp and paper industry is supplying pulp to more than 100 tableware manufacturers in India, and contributing in a big way towards the sustainability aspect, plastic-free, the policy and of the government today. So that's a big contribution of pulp and paper industry, and we are trying to reinvent ourselves during such conferences. How we can take forward this sustainability aspect, how we can contribute to further greener planet.
Concept for innovation ideas in the paper industry. Today we have lot of challenges and at the same time lot of opportunities. So this type of seminar where we get the global experts, not an easy job to get the global expert. We created a platform for last almost 19 years, and continuously they are educating the paper sector, and lot of benefit is being given to small mills which they don't have. So this type of platform really add value lot of good work is done. We get united, we exchange ideas, we learn from each other. In paper industry today, we have lot of challenges. It is a capital intensive industry, it is a manpower intensive industry, it has got lot of pollution norms, water scarcity, power challenges. So to work in a challenging environment and then become a global benchmarking standards, we have to do a lot of hard work, and this type of seminar and the hard work of CII, IPMA and INMA plays a great role.
Representing paper industries of India, and it's really a pleasure to come here at Paper Tech at Hyderabad, and this is our 19th edition, and this has really become a holistic exhibition cum seminar for the whole of paper industry along with its associate industries, and we get a lot of participation not only from within but also from outside of India, and a lot of discussion takes place around some very important topics regarding usage of water, regarding sustainability, regarding our carbon footprints, and also the growth factors for the next decade or so. And let me tell you that Indian paper industry has got very bright prospects as far as the overall growth of the Indian economy is concerned. So it is one of the very important cog in the overall wheel of economic development in India today. We are approximately 1 trillion rupee industry in terms of revenues, and growing at the rate of GDP today in India. And with the kind of sustainability we ensure in terms of our raw materials, in terms of our product, which are 100% environmentally friendly and procured through sustainable sources, we are one of the alternates, viable alternates to single-use plastic. And today, many of our units are replacing plastic in various applications, whether it be rigid packaging, flexible packaging, labels. So we are really contributing towards a greener planet, and we are also optimizing our operation.
Sushil Khaitan, representing INMA, Indian Newsprint Manufacturing Association, as Vice President, and I am CEO of Imami Paper Mills Limited. Paper industry particularly has got a long contribution for the development of economy. Paper industry plays a big role in education, in packaging sector, in tissue sector,